this is our first live starting. I'm pretty emotional for this. And so, first of all, let me tell you that at the end of this live, I'm going to give for free one bag powder of 60 grams. If you answer correctly one question, I'm gonna launch the question for the winner of one powder bag of 60 grams. The question is, what products does Jagua Factory sells?
We want also.
Christopher,
Yes.
what is the best response, the best answer?
Okay, one moment.
And the winner, I have the winner here, and the winner is Henna Fusion. Henna Fusion is the winner of one quarter bag of 60 grams. Congratulations, Henna Fusion. Don't forget to tell us your experience.
Good job.
Please.
We had a big room for that.
Have a really nice week.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.